Hello everyone, today we're looking at Maccy. It's a simple clipboard manager for your Mac that keeps track of everything you copy. If you've ever lost a link or a piece of text because you copied something else too soon, this app is for you. By default, your Mac only remembers one thing at a time. When you copy something new, the old stuff is gone forever. This is a huge pain when you're working between different documents or websites. Maccy fixes this by saving a list of your history so you can go back to it whenever you need. The best part about Maccy is how it stays out of your way. It lives in your menu bar at the top of the screen. You can open it with a quick keyboard shortcut. Once it's open, you just start typing to search what you need. When you find it, hit enter, and it pastes right into your document. It's fast, light, and feels like it belongs on your computer. It doesn't just save text either. It handles images, files, and links too. You can also pin the things you want every day, like your email address or a specific piece of code. This way, they stay at the top of the list and never get deleted. It's also very private. All your data stays on your computer, and it won't save passwords from apps like 1Password. You can get Maccy for free from their website since it's open source, or you can buy it on the App Store to support the creator. It's a tiny app that doesn't use much battery or memory. If you spend a lot of time on your Mac, this tool will save you minutes every single day. It makes your workflow feel much smoother. It's one of those apps that you will wonder how you ever lived without. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.